Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you how to use this AI that can do almost everything. Yes, you heard it right. I have come across an AI platform that offers image generation, image enhancement, and AI chatbot, and even video creation. What is the name of this remarkable AI platform, you ask? It is seaart.ai. It is a relatively new platform, and my experience with it has been truly fantastic. If you want to learn about the latest AI tools and how to use them effectively, this channel is perfect for you. We share easy to follow tutorials and keep you updated. Please don't forget to subscribe, it helps us make more helpful videos. Now, let us get started. First and foremost, the initial step is to set up an account for accessing this platform. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to the seaart.ai website. Next, select the login option. You have several options to choose from. You can use your Discord account, Google account, Facebook account, email address, or even sign in with your phone. In my case, I will go with the Google account for a smoother account creation process. After that, you can customize your nickname, specify your interest, confirm that you are at least 18 years old, and then click Start Using. Just like that, you have an account and you can begin generating AI images. It is worth mentioning that this platform primarily focuses on creating AI images, but it also offers AI chat and video editing features, which makes it quite versatile. I will demonstrate this later on. Now, let's kick off our AI image creation. Click the Generate button to begin. Here, you can type in your prompt in the provided text box. What is great is that you can use simple language. There is no need for complex engineering like prompts because seaart can understand everyday language and fine-tune the prompt text for you. For instance, you can type something like a handsome man walking into woods, and then hit enter. After a brief wait of just a few seconds, your image will be generated, and it actually looks quite impressive. Furthermore, they offer advanced tools like ControlNet. If you'd like to use it, simply click on ControlNet and choose the model you want to experiment with. There are other tools as well, such as Expansion, which expands the prompt text based on the image you have uploaded. You can also enhance the image quality if you find it lacking. Additionally, they provide features like Describe, Preview, and Prompt Studio. What is also noteworthy is the availability of tools on the right side that you can use for editing. What is particularly helpful is that they provide pre-written negative prompts, which is handy for beginners who are unsure how to use the tool. Of course, they include options like sampling steps, CFG scale, and seed, which you may have encountered in other AI image generators. However, my personal favorite is the creative upscale feature. If you select it, the system will regenerate the image with the creative upscale applied. When you compare the original and upscaled image, you will notice a significant difference. The upscaled version is notably improved, right? In the original picture, you might see some blurriness in the eyes, but in the new image, it is much clearer and more beautiful. You can also remove the background and upscale the image further if you wish. Now, let us move on to the chatbot. Return to the dashboard and click on the AI chat option. Here, you can engage in a conversation with your AI. By the way, if you look at the top, you will notice that their platform offers a variety of features, including Swift AI, model and training, and a studio. You can explore these features as well if you are interested, or perhaps I will create another video about them in the future. So, comment down below if you want me to cover it. Now, let us talk about video editing. Although I wouldn't say the video creation capabilities are exceptional, I am genuinely surprised to find the feature within their platform. You can start by going to your profile and clicking on videos. From there, you can create a video using the images you have made. Just choose the images you want, add some music, and hit publish. And there you have it. Your video is ready to showcase your generated images. It is quite impressive, isn't it? I am amazed by how this platform handles image creation, has an AI chat, and even includes a video maker. Since it is a relatively new platform, I expect there will be future updates. It is exciting to think about how it will evolve in the future. Now, I can't wait to know your thoughts. Are you impressed with this platform like I am? Give it a try and see the cool stuff you can make, whether you are an expert or just having fun. Once you have tried it out, please share your thoughts in the comments. I am excited to hear what you have to say. Your ideas and experiences might be helpful to others who want to give it a shot too. Thank you for watching, and again, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I hope this video helps you out, and I would love to see you in the next video.